The Spectrum S0200 error code, labeled Signal Channel Not Available, indicates your cable box isn't receiving a strong enough signal. This is often due to simple issues you can resolve yourself. First, power cycle your cable box by unplugging it for 30 to 60 seconds and plugging it back in. While it's unplugged, check all coaxial cable connections to ensure they are secure, both at the box and the wall. Loose or damaged cables are a primary cause. Consider testing with a different coaxial cable that you know is working if you have one available. After reconnecting and waiting for the box to reboot, check if the error persists. If the error continues after basic checks, your next step is a channel rescan via the cable box settings, found under Settings, then Channel Setup. If rescanning doesn't fix it, newer Spectrum boxes and the Spectrum app offer integrated troubleshooting and signal monitoring. Use the app for virtual diagnostics. If your box supports it, check the signal strength meter, often in Settings or a hidden menu accessed by entering 8888. Ideal power levels should be above 70 dBmV with low error rates. As Spectrum transitions to fiber optics and IP-based delivery, S0200 errors are expected to diminish. Firmware updates and proactive monitoring services can also prevent future occurrences. For persistent issues, contact Spectrum support.